Welcome guys, today I am with the JBL Synchros E50 Bluetooth and I'm going to show you how you can power on and power off this device. That's very simple. All you have to do, you have to find this Bluetooth button. This one, let me just catch focus on the button. It looks like that. It's close to the auxiliary input. So as you can see, it's not activate. So I'm gonna light up by pressing once on this button. It will light on the white. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected with our smartphone. Of course, I just previously paired these devices. If you are looking for this kind of the tutorial, just check out our YouTube channel. And to power off, you have to just click once on this Bluetooth button. And as you can see right now, our device moved to the previously connected devices list. So to power on and power off this device, these headphones, you have to click once on the button, on the Bluetooth button. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.